Hello Pointwise users, and welcome to Cadence Design Systems Pointwise Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature or demonstrate a technique in just a few minutes. In this video, we review groups. The group command is available regardless of selection. Any entities selected when the command is entered will automatically be considered part of the new group you wish to create. Select the group members of the same type in either the display window or the list. They can be a group of connectors, domains, blocks, database entities, not including database boundaries, or sources. Select Create Group. If no selection is made prior to entering the command, you will need to select a group type at the top, which enables the entity picking mode. As soon as all the group members are selected, type in the name in the group name box or use a default name by clicking the Use Default option. Click OK to save the new group with the name from the name field and close the panel. Or click Apply to save the new group and allow further selection for naming for another group. Clicking Cancel will abort the group with nothing saved. Once a group is defined, it offers a shortcut to the selection of its group members, enabling the user to also modify entity attributes. If you would like to add an entity to a group, simply go to the Edit Group and add the entity. Groups can be removed by going to Edit and Ungroup. If you like this video, please check the thumbs up button or subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or comments, drop us a line below or connect with us on LinkedIn, which is linked in the description. Thank you all, and have a pleasant Tuesday.